Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to play this hymn with a relatively simple arrangement, just with top line melody and a bass line accompaniment. So now we're going to break it down phrase by phrase. So the first phrase, the right hand goes like this. The left hand is easier, it only has to play 4 notes. That's 1, 1, 4, 1. So put them together. Also, for very new starter, if you're struggling with coordinating left hand and right hand, it's useful to practice the bit that when you change the note. For example, now when we do the second phrase, the left hand is still relatively easy. It only has note 1 and 5. Yeah. So it goes like this. So left hand, you only have 2 notes. The third phrase is almost the same as the first phrase. Yeah. And the last line is slightly more complicated. It goes like 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. It's a very common chord movement. Yeah. So for very early starters, you might want to practice every bar separately. So the first bar, the second might want to practice left hand, right hand, and then you do it together. And now we move into the next bar. To put the whole thing together. If you prefer a traditional score, it's also available in my PayHip store. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to play the full chord with left hand. So instead of just playing one melody, instead of just playing one bass line, yeah, we're going to think about how to play the chord. Please watch out for my next video. Thank you for listening.